Good evening, good evening, good evening. Happy Sunday evening. Everybody's supposed to go to church. Everybody's supposed to done tidy up. Everybody's supposed to done cook, eat, and relax. I look for go eat like a dessert you know. And get themselves prep for work Monday morning. All who have to go to work. Anyway, it's your Sunday evening video. I think you have watched your martini already. The martini that dropped earlier, your Sunday martini. Not everyone on might watch because someone might not get no time as yet to do so. But here I am. She called it part 2, but I don't know part 2. She realized that T-Dog come out on her strong. And she take it as a, alright, I shouldn't say come out on her strong. Because basically, the video that you have seen this morning, I get to understand that T-Dog did do a video before the one that I drop, right? So that was the one she were responding to, it seems to be. But after T-Dog do the other video now, which is the one that me drop, she realized it no normal, it's serious. You understand? So she come out here now with a stronger voice, but still refusing from go at T-Girl the way T-Girl come at she calling her gal and all kind of something. And this is what me I say in the previous video. You know, if it was somebody else, especially over here, so should have gone with herself. So why you can't go on with yourself with somebody who is just 40 something years old to you we're about 68 or 70? Because if you're even at that age, you know, that you look like to me and probably many other people. And you could have Tina, because if you're even 55, or me I say, no, you couldn't 55. If you say 60, 65, yeah, you could have Tina. Because what you have a little discussion and them say, you have Pitney where I breed at 13 year old. Yes, that is true, but it's very rare anyway. But 15, 16, yeah, 17, common assault. And she come out here on her platform and style you as girl so. And you take that easy, you must say mad. Eh? Style you that you acknowledge how she has style but you're afraid to go at her. Oh, I'm not going to go to your level. But oh, you want to go to other people's level. Speak my mind, people don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. And remember, Life is a Mission TV is on TikTok also. And boy, as I talk about TikTok people, just as me I go do that video, yeah, I see it all over TikTok. Where them on a live, a TikTok a live. Because I'm dep on him live. And it is so sad that when I'm dep on him live, him and a next person dep on live, and the little time I dep on TikTok I get to understand them run some serious joke on TikTok. And sometimes them say what you say sometimes can come around to haunt you. Because this guy did a talk like Siri, because them have a style where them talk like them a Siri. And him a talk to him that I don't want to get on a live say. Me go to go see him a talk and thing I like him a say, boy, oh, me not busy for your 9. You will get in your head too. Ray. And not even 2 minutes after him say that. There you bam. And the man know the next TikToker look now and him get up and run off. And they hear blam. And for your ear. The next brother know was on the live, see him because the live up, can run left the live. And then, you know, everything unfold. Him on alive. People now started to look at the TikToker, which where in the dep on live, we were said or something there. But what action he could have done during, and I must say, many a times them come out here and do this with them one another. Them even do it to people in the comment section, or them don't even know. But you know what? That is for another video. I plan to make a little thing on my TikTok page about this. Yeah man, because there's a lot of things that these youth do. I call it content, and then know who them talk to, them know. You can't click on a man page where you're dissing. When him say something in your comment, you're dissing. Right? You click on him page, The man you see on the page and I must him that, you know. And I must him that. But you look on the picture now, you judge a man, there's a little soft man, you come back now, you start, hey boy, I mean this, me that, and you never know. I want after that, they like breeze blow upon him. Yeah, so them dip on the app and they might do certain things and I call it content where, you know, this it come in as disrespect to a lot of people. But you know, who is me? That man do what him do is best, you know. But them have to just understand, say the app is not for, you know, build enemies against yourself, because you never know who your enemy. You can go this a man right now and go in a party and stand upside him and they even know say him, but him know you because your face they all over every day. Anyway, so as me I said, life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Give her a subscription also, and remember the cash app is there. When you gift me, I use a gift to give back to the needy. I'm not running a charity. You don't have to send nothing to come here, but you are the ones that ask for the cash app and you get it. If you don't have a cash app and you have Zelle or the Zelle no pin, but you can reach out to me, whether Western Union whatsoever. 221-9789 876 at the front. Yes man, contact me and please go support Charms and Trend business. Check out the Instagram page, charm_and_trends and Instagram, and just drop in the DM, and anything you see you can get it customized. Buy a special gift for your special loved one. Alright, you can go straight to the website, charmsandtrend.shop. So we will get into Queen Bee now. She claimed to say she come out at basement where she had do ya, so she did in a one gear in the video before because she never take it serious because some me read her, you know. But now with the video when me play with Tina yesterday, she take it serious now, so she come out in a 2 gear, must a second gear, this is her third gear, I don't know which gear, because she's still at high speed. You understand? To Tina Angler, she's still at high speed. But I expect her to come out a bit stronger. So make we hear her.
Guys, this is part 2 of me responding to Miss Tina Chin. Now, Miss Tina Chin came out and she asked a bunch of questions. See, I didn't listen to your whole entire live when I made the video last night. I was at work and I kind of caught it towards the end, and I kind of get a gist of what you were talking about, and I came and I make a video on my lunch break, right? So now I'm getting the opportunity now that I'm home and I'm listening to your whole entire live, all right?
Yeah,
First of all, Tina, again, I'm not going to come out here, I'm not going to argue with you, I'm not going to curse you, I'm not going to call you no gyal, I'm not going to call you the things that you call me, because you know why? Like you said, you are totally different from me. You handle things different from me. You handle yours in a more ratchet way. I handle mine in a more diplomatic way, especially with people. Again, like I said, if I had some form of friendship with, on a social media friendship, or some form of respect for, which I still have respect for you, regardless of what you want to call me, gal, regardless of how many voice notes that I could play that I won't, of the way you're classing me, the way you're carrying on, literally, Tina, the way I hear you on your voice notes, it brings tears to my eyes, and it don't bring tears to my eyes because of what you're saying. It brings tears to my eyes because I'm realizing how unhinged you are. It brings tears to my eyes because you guys have made social media turn you guys into this monster where to the point that it's affecting your mental. That's how bad it sounds in these voice notes that you send me when you're ranting and raving and cursing.
So you see, she can identify that Tina has disrespected her, but at the same time, she's not going to answer Tina, because when you have someone as a social media diss, so somebody can come out come diss me, bet you can't play the voice note them she send come, we make eye water come out your eye, make you cry tears. I saw you soft, that she say something simple and tears come out your eye. Make we hear what she play. She send come here, play it, make we hear. But ears still they come out here. Where you want to check. Say you get one ear and you turn the other one and I take it here. So you better come out a vent up on your platform. You know, she just keep where you have between you and her, where she send voice note come give you privately. Who you to? A certain people are only have strength for.
All I'm hearing is pain, and mental issue. And that's why it brings tears to my eyes. But I'm going to respond to you because you're asking several questions in the video of why I would want peace with people like this and why I want peace with people like that. Okay, I get that. And you're 100% correct. I cannot feel what you feel because I have not gone through that. And the reason why I have not gone through that, Tina, unlike you and maybe certain others on social media, you guys didn't do enough to protect the privacy of your family, the privacy of your kids. You did not know how to back off when people was coming for your kids, coming for your son, your daughter, coming for, you guys didn't back off. You just kept it going and going and going and tit for tat and tit for tat, da-da-da. I know differently. When I see people start to come at Queen B in a certain way, I start to kind of back down a little bit. Not because I'm afraid, not because I don't want to speak up more, not because I don't want to reveal more. I got so much stuff in my phone, in my tablet, on my computer that I could
But what is sense? Alright. So for instance, you and Tina, they are so now with saga. Tina started to go at you, and instead of you, countering Tina, or go head and head with Tina, you back down. Because you want to be the bigger person. That's what you want to do, right? Alright. But within a day or two, you back down here, so you go start something else around this with somebody. Because you're the one that always try to insert yourself, As the T-Dog say, you want to be everybody's friend. You're so lonely that you just want friendship so badly that all people is enemy you want to be friends with other people where them and them not see eye to eye. So you don't want to come friend me and then go friend my enemy. Remember now, me and you now come from nowhere. You and the enemy now come from nowhere. So it's not like say me and you come from somewhere and you and the enemy are friend. So through me and the enemy not talk now, you still reason with the person because you and them don't have nothing and you and them was friend before that. You understand? Me not gonna tell you what to do. But what me gonna do, me gonna be careful that when me say around you and how me act around you. Because me never know what you will do. But me can't tell you who to talk to. You understand? So it don't make sense. You cry yourself to play the bigger person instead of going head on head, neck to neck. But go around the corner and go start something different. It never makes sense. But I did continue yourself and finish yourself.
Feel on social media to make social media just explode on every different angle with many different people. But I don't do that because that is not what I'm out here to do. I'm out here to have a platform where I could speak my mind, I could give my views, I could give my reviews. If I'm upset about something, I could come out here and break it down of why I'm upset. I mean, that's what my platform is for. It's not even for money, it's not even to build wealth, it's not even to say, okay, one day I want to be able to kick back and put my feet up and just be on social media.
You hear that? I want to listen to that. So I'm not even here to one day that I can kick my foot up and be on social media and don't have to work and get paid. When I listen, I miss that all the while. So me not tell nobody say, me not want the day come and me can just lie down in my house and just step on social media and I make money. But knowing me, my life will collect my papers up front. Nobody no angle it. Me give you my goods, you give me your money. Me know me have my money. Me have to wait on social media and it go through so much on. I could have work all $1 and you saw $5 my work. No, $1 and you hear say $half me work, and when the $half done with tax and all kind of take out, me don't even get nothing. When a $1 me work. So when me go and give you my goods and say 50 cents for this and you give me 50 cents, me know a 50 cents me get. So when a listener and me she talk and she actually say like how she hear some people say, when I listen.
Yeah, don't have to work like I hear some people are saying.
Me I go pull it up back.
That is platform is for. It's not even for money. It's not even to build wealth. It's not even to say, okay, one day I want to be able to kick back and put my feet up and just be on social media and don't have to work like I hear some people are saying.
Me she talk and me alone say that.
That is not my goal. My aim and goal is to have a platform that if I need to speak to a wider...
So you hear me show me just say a while ago? She want to quell you so. She now go back and forth with Tina. She go play the bigger person. But tomorrow morning, she go around and she gonna start a different feud. You understand? She not call her name yourself, but me know me she talk. All I wanna know watch me. Day in, day out. Always hear me say that. Social media is not my only source of income. I am a multi-purpose person. Multi-purpose. Means adjustable, I am not a spanner. But I don't mind the day when I can just kick back in my house and cock up in my house and lie down and just do social media and know at the end of the month, I'm alright. Me alone in the ear says all the while over here so. And she draw me in her argument between she and Tina. She go as far as she just say that and done, you know. As she hear some people say, me can't come out here no fear and start another controversy. You understand, despite she not calling him, but me know me she talk. So this is the type of person she is, why I'm saying this, you know. This is how she go around and niggle people. Niggle people like when you got them acupuncture there when you have water in your knee. And you got the acupuncture and them niggle you. If you draw the water out of your knee. That is how she stay and go around and make unnecessary trouble. But she herself know what trouble she make, but she make it look as if she not understand or know say yes. This can cause problem, this can cause trouble when she already know. She know clearly what she's doing. This is she. She's a termite in social media, she.
Audience other than myself, I could come and I could do that. And even if it's 100 people that listen, it's 100 more that heard me.
And you fight so hard and you don't want to money out of it.
That is
Two
what
jobs.
my platform
And
is
you're in a
for.
social media
It's
so
not
often.
about what you guys are about. Now I built it on mix up. I built it on drama. And that is where I kept it, and that's where I'm going to continue
to have
keeping
one
it,
job.
right? So therefore, yes, I am going to bring mix up and drama, and anywhere I got to pull it from, I'm going to pull it from.
Sleep most
So
of the
for
day.
all who say
I'm in a
that I
find
walk
time for
around all
social
over
media
social
like me.
media,
We
and
have
I'm in
two jobs.
everybody's business, and I'm
Person
on
or
everybody's
woman.
platform, I'm supposed to. That is what a blogger do. They go from here, there, and everywhere. Pick this here, pick that there. Bring the news here. Bring the mix up, yes so. Take it from up there, so. Take it from down there, so. I bring it to your platform for the audience that love the mix up and the drama can able to see. So of course, I'm gonna be all over the place. Buzz, BB. So you guys talking about I'm all over the place? Shut the hell up. Alright. Anyway, let's get back to you, Miss Tina. You asked a few questions in your video. And some of your questions is about how can I ask you to make peace with people that drag your children, drag your grandkids sexually, verbally, and over the internet, your grandkids. How can I ask you, Tina Chin, to make peace with people?
After it's a fire in the video, you know, woman. Whether you want to have it said this way, I look out for your set or wait, just like when you start the video, the early video this morning. Yes, so now look out for me come out for Tina. In this video, I saw you come out for Tina for true. Because after she styled you up as girl, so more than one time, Not just 1, 2, or 3. Actually, the whole video. She almost call you the B word. That you ball out. So I don't want my emotion to get the better of me. Because if I stay here, my emotion get the better of me. I'm going to say things, a whole lot more things that I don't want to say. So, there's a lot of things you have to say, because you said you can drive your laptop, your thumb drive, your man drive, your woman drive. And she said if your emotion get the better, she going to talk up the truth and talk up a whole heap of things. So go see the whole heap of back and forth where you carry go gear. For she has said that. And I think she more smart than you for the less talking. Yeah, just listen all the way you said to her and give some yes man, a true man. Yes man, a true man. And nothing more. Why they just spill your gut with people business like you are? Cause come like she have secret for you, you know. Hey, hey. Hey.
They call police on you, send immigration after you, report you to FBI, report you to CIA, and report you to all these different places. How dare
report
you
her when she get busted?
ask me to be friends or to make peace with these people? You know why I could ask you, Tina? Because I have not come forward, which I should, right? Because that's being a part of being biased. I have not come forward and asked Donna, yes, I'm calling her name, and who don't like it, bite it, put it in your pipe and mother effing light it. I didn't ask Donna to make peace. I didn't ask Marcia to make peace. I didn't ask Maxine to make peace. I didn't ask who else? I didn't ask Lorraine to make peace. I didn't ask who else? I did not ask those other ladies that had been through the same thing that you are talking about, that you've been through. All these ladies been through everything that you spoke about. Their grandkids, except for Donna, because she don't have grandkids yet, but everybody else that I mentioned have grandkids. Their grandkids was also...
So basically, you're saying Lorraine, this, Marcia, Donna, everybody go through the same thing. And you know that. And you stand in the middle of all this. Channeling through you. Where it branch off there. So you was like the channel where most of these things, as me say now, some things, as me say the 2013 something, me never know so long you out here get problem. So go see how much more things that you're involved in. That's why Tina says she don't want to get emotional. Because probably there's a whole lot more she going to talk about you, she don't really want to talk, because she might want to have it confidential. But there is so much things you mix up in, but you can identify all these people. But here still, you come out here and you lean to one side. One side you lean to, But now when all of the side them gone left you, and you can't turn up straight as usual, you try to lean here, there, and everywhere, and everybody will reject you. So from day one, you know what them I do was not right. But you choose side. But now because you are rejected, you're having a problem with it. And you never have none back then. More than you just pick a side and work with it. Tell you about it,
verbally, sexually, over the internet been abused. Their grandchild has been threatened. Their lives has been threatened. They also had police called on them. They had people going to police station to report them. They had people writing in letters about them. They had people, setting up emails about their business and that they're scammers and that they're thieves and and it just go on and on and on and on and on. So their kids.
So you not tell her direct to her face over the phone. In your video say she do all of these things where you talk about also. Just go to her direct and tell her. Don't dress it up. So you write letter to people, you write letter to immigration about people kill people and themselves and not all traveling. Tell it to our face you should do all of this. Don't pretty it up about everybody. This everybody suffer through this. You and Tina talk. Tina come at you direct. Yes, she might add in such woman where you are tell herself try to be friend with. But you go at you direct, so why you afraid to go at Tina direct? Eh?
And them, Tina Chin, have been through the same things that you have been through. And yet I never came out here and asked them, please make peace reign. But I'm going to ask it today. Can everybody in that circle that I mentioned make peace reign? Because by making peace reign and by able to establish some kind of peace, and I'm not talking about peace overall on social.
So somebody not in a war with nobody. They must come and call peace. If someone is warring with me, bringing violent conduct to me, and people on the outside want to say peace, I must be the one who is not the aggressor to come out and say peace, peace, peace. No. The aggressor supposed to come to me if we know I say something and say, boy, watch and make we have peace. All I must do is either accept or don't accept. But me not supposed to go out there and cry peace. Me are not the problem. Me is not the aggressor. And the aggressor, that's why into a fight, you know. You always see when somebody get old, majority of the time. Why you think that? Eh? He is the aggressor or she is the aggressor. You understand? So them all she or he. So if me are not the aggressor, me can't come cry peace, lady.
Media, because peace on overall social media will never happen. Will never happen. Because there's too many places behind dark screens, and there's too many people behind, the dark, phone screens, and behind the computers, and they're behind, their tablets and their phone. It's too many behind there that don't want peace. And as long as they are there and they're not being dragged out and not being exposed and not being, squashed and not being put to rest, as long as they are still behind those scenes doing those things, it will never be peace on social media. So no, we're not going to have overall peace. But what we can have is the people that I've mentioned, you, Tina Tin, Marcia Cabot, Lorraine, Maxine, and all the other females that have been going through this.
So, what make you feel like you should be the one who want to drive this initiative of peace in social media? When you don't have nothing about you coming out when it come on to peace. I dare you come out here and show me your last 10 videos that you have posted will have any form of inspirational message to it. Whether repost, or you write one long epistle, or you do something for yourself by come out here and do a video. Show me your last 10 posts where anything positive in any one of them after 10. If somebody where want to see peace so much in a social media, if not probably from last year or early this year, and the year come to an end now. And during that time want to see peace, you continue to build strive. As me say, you just niggle. You know, come and go so boop and thump out nobody, you know, you niggle. You niggle problem. That's what you do. Because when you niggle problem, you know, you should niggle so fine, you just come to a man and you stick him, you can't say all your fingernail. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean it. when you intentionally walk with a pin to stick the man. And that's what you're doing out here in social media. And then go up on your platform and cry for peace. And every minute your name come out in a different mix-up. All when you are not the topic of the mix-up, but somewhere along the line, you're in the mix-up. It can't look good. And you come out here, say you fight back for peace in social media. You don't have no credibility if you do that. No credibility you not have to do that. Left that to somebody else. We're out here in the diaspora, where them name don't mix up that much, you know, mix up, if not none at all. But not you. You have proven that you love mix up.
All of you guys been going through the same crap for the past 5 years. There's no one that only been through it for a year. There's
What
no
role you
that
playing in
only
the
been
5
through-
years?
No, you are in that circle that I mentioned.
You're like
been
the general
going through
manager.
this for a minute. And I'm talking about that little piece of circle right there. And some form of peace can
I
be
like yourself. I'm not know what role you
accomplished,
play.
or even meet in some kind of middle ground somewhere, and you don't have to be friends. You don't have to walk hands in hand singing kumbaya. Nobody's asking you to do that. But if that little circle that I mentioned could come to some form of understanding and mutual respect for each other business and each other family, and stop throwing words, stop throwing shades, stop putting up, posts and jamming and jagging and sticking at each other, and form some kind of peace, some kind of mutual understanding. It would end some.
This woman is asking for something where she nah do. And I just know she asks you, she continue to ask her these things. And she not doing it. If you check her page tomorrow, or check her page when she do this live, either just before or after, is either she post some negative things or repost some negative things involving pasa kas. So you need to make up your mind where you want. You want to see peace. You have to take a stand. So if anything, people can follow you. Boy, if she can't change, why me can't change? And at the same time, you can't sit and say, oh, me alone can't do it. You want to see it happen. So if you want to see it happen, you have to carry the burden upon your back. And you can't make the burden make you drop it. You have to continue to carry it until, if you even not see nobody forward, you just know say you did play your part, you did run left it. But if you go and say you take it up, so you look at see nobody now come with you, come right back. It not gonna work. You have to show set the example. You are called for peace, and say you want it, So when you reverse, every time you reverse when you are called for peace, what do you think people are gonna think? It's a joke business you're upon. And it's really a joke business because you don't want to see no peace. And through you know it's a social media and you will never ever see no peace. We're getting someone to could TikTok feelings and war carry over social media. In a social media, over TikTok. Bad mind, jealousy and grudge. All because of fame and money and fortune. So them things they will never stop, especially our kind. You'll never see some Chinese do it. Remember me tell you.
The pain that all of you ladies are going through. It would end the bashing of your kids and family. It would end, the sexual assaults or whatever you call it of your grandkids.
You will make the first move.
End some of the misery and the deep hurt and pain that you continue to go through as ladies together in this. It would end some of that. Because together, you were able to beat the demons behind the dark screens. Together, you'll be able to defeat the wicked demon enemies that's behind these phone screens that continue to push war and continue to push fire and continue to push these hurts upon all of you ladies.
You were that behind the scene and I do it.
That's what I am
You
talking
that
about.
You dodge behind the scene and do it for over 5 years.
So don't come up here and label me as if I'm some form of, trying to be on some kind of team or trying to be friends and trying to kiss up people's ass and, all this bullshit. Don't come up here and present me in a light like that is what I'm aiming for, and that's the reason why I'm coming out here asking.
Woman, me and Tina no friend. But nobody now put you up like that. You put up yourself like that. And you only can fool somebody will just come over here so in the space of social media over here so. And it won't take them long for them catch up on you if you continue. Because them catch up on you and them want to research, them can research and find out more about you. So nobody go and kind of body put you up. It's what you have been doing out here. You talk about this and that and closed door. That's what you're doing. Look on simple the first year where you take the woman cake. You go back door, you buy the people them things without the people them knowing what you're going to do. You just say it to one person and the person said, no, don't do it. If you're going to do that, don't do it. Wait. And you still go behind back and buy the woman cake. And you go a road, go do your review. And the review what you're doing now, you know what was your motive and your intention and what you did want, what result you did want, But honestly, I don't think that day you get the result where you really want. You did not get the result where you really want. Because you want Lorraine Cake, who was the where they call it, the ghost baker. And T.G Cake to get all the recommendation. But it wasn't so. None never get no better recommendation over none. And at the same time, everybody have a different taste bud. And it's not like you have to reach out to some authentic Jamaican people who know what certain taste is like. Not saying other races or have other colors don't know what taste is like, But real authentic Jamaican people who, know what the real taste of our food and products are like would have give you a better review than a man from China, a man from South Africa, a man from Trinidad, or a man from round there. So, you understand? So, different taste bud, but you just never get the result where you did really want. Because you don't want, when you look around there, so you can't see that. I just, Tina and Lorraine Kate, them here say so. Everybody a career feet. That was the result what you want, but you never get that result. And you started to do it on live, you couldn't shut down the live. Because we are going to know, say, boy, you hide the result of such woman one. So it did have to come out to the public. So we already see and know.
You about peace with the individual. No.
So all them things that you have done.
Start somewhere.
So he's a set on.
It has to start somewhere, Tina.
Peacemaker.
And for the fact that you and that individual was supposedly going to end up in the same room of the award or in the same area or at the same function, I decide to start with you to say eventually now, finally, y'all may end up meeting in real life. And if you did end up in real life, then you need to be able to trash it out right then and there. Get whatever misunderstanding out of the way. Apologize to who need to apologize. Retract whoever need to retract. Shake hands and walk away in a more peaceful manner. So therefore, coming on social media.
You can't see a man that 28 mash it come at you and you're back pen and 5 minutes. And that you there saw do, A man a come down long sitting so like a grass him a go cut. And you are back pen for face him. Tina come at you and deal with the how she deal with young style as girl. Just stop. The BIT there, just the CH go on and she stop, You understand? And you come out and now with one pen. After the woman come with one big old cutting stone. I go cut grass. Eh? I wish she know about you, so I wish she having the file where she never want to get emotional if you talk. Look like she have something for you.
We no longer have to see, you dashing up some words against that person, him dashing up some words against you, he making a post about your business, you making a post about his business. Maybe, just maybe, we could end at least that part, because that's a start. Until we move on to the next person, and the next person, and the next person. What is wrong with me asking for that? And what part of that makes me a hypocrite? Because I want at least that circle right there.
Nobody asks if you do it.
To see if they could come to some kind
of too enough, yeah, woman of your age. Too enough.
And could able to acknowledge each other pain. And point fingers and say, you said this and you said that and I said this and I said that. And everybody together can say, you know what?
Raspberry water, here people?
Or I didn't say,
water,
and here why
water,
is my proof I didn't say. Kind of trash it out a little bit, right? And you could able to finally say, you know what? Let's just forgive each other and move on. Yes, the hurt will never go away. Yes, the damage has been done. But we're going to trust God that because of this peace treaty or this peace that we're trying to, come together now to accept the parts that we play in each other's life. And we're going to accept the part that we each playing in destroying each other's life. We're going to accept the part that we played in destroying other people's business and each other's business.
Everything
and we
are
are just going to come together. We're going to accept the
parts
that
everything
we played,
against God
and we're going to apologize for it, and we're going to ask God to come down and start the healing process.
How can we heal you first?
Because only God at this time can start that healing process. Not so.
You're coming like a sweet sap or sour sap. In all of this, so we are going in a social media, it's like a sweet sap or a sour sap. You know when I say she's like a sweet sap or a sour sap? See the tree here? Alright, see the tree here? See the branch here? Alright, boom, see the sour sap each arm on the limb. When you pick the sour sap, So you pick it off, you see a stem when it connect to this. When you open the sour sap or the sweet sap, especially sour sap, you see the water that the stem are breadfruit, all breadfruit stay so, what them call the heart. The water that run right in at the middle. I see that. Everything or almost everything we are going out here, she plays some part in the middle. Some part. Now just look on her outside and that, no man, she just have the stem, man. She run go right through the belly of the sour sap. She's like the breadfruit heart. And you hear she come out here play. Like she's just holy and solely, she not doing anything out here. But as I say, she can't fool who out here a long time. She can't just fool the people who might there just a few weeks or days, not even months. Because anybody will have sense and willing to learn. If you drop in a workspace where you never ever worked before, so you don't have no experience, you go and look and learn. And most time nobody now will show you nothing. You have to look and listen and help yourself. You understand? So anybody come over within a couple of days or a week and hear about she, they will continue to listen. If not, go do them research. So you can't fool nobody out here. You're a poker, yo. You're a poker.
Social media don't want peace. And that's why you can have people in your comment section and even around you, and I'm sure bloggers are gonna run with your video. Tina Jen Puzzle, Queen Bee, Tina Jen done the old hypocrite girl. Of course you're gonna have that. You know why? Because they don't want peace. They don't want to see peace. They want to keep it spreading.
Like a two people call you, so make you say, so you know you're a hypocrite.
And that's the reason why they could call me hypocrite. Because
biggest
why?
Because I will come out and say,
I want peace, I want peace, I want peace, but yet they see me post up stuff on my status that's not of peace. I post up, you know, drama. I post up the little mix-up that's going around town. Of course, that is what my page is for. But when I call for peace, I'm not calling for world peace. I'm calling for peace among...
Yeah, you're contradicted, she is. And she finds out that she's contradicted. She have a break out in her laugh. Like it is humorous. What you're doing or saying here is not humorous. But you have a right to laugh off of yourself. You're calling for peace, but you don't see nothing wrong with you posting all these things on your page will involve mix-up. What you want to resolve in social media. You keep promoting it by reposting it and doing things yourself on your platform. And to justify all of that, that's what your platform is all about. So why you coming out here crying peace? This is what I am saying. You have no credibility to come out here and cry peace. Because you are promoting mix-up. Every go you go up on your platform, you repost mix-up. So you promote mix-up. How can you be promoting something where you want to resolve? Make it make sense. You want to resolve. So basically you only want to resolve peace over here. You want to resolve the problem over here and create peace over here. But it's not a world peace you want. So you can want every other ways in a social media. That's what you're saying, right? Because when you realize what you say a while ago, you know, it don't make no sense, you know. You go for laugh out with yourself. It's only humorous to you, but it's not humorous to we. So you have to laugh with yourself. You know mean world peace. So you know mean war in social media overall because you still want to have mix up the carry on your page from outside that this diaspora. You're doing this just because you're not getting any attention, you know. Your channel now progress the way you want it progress, so you're jealous of the people them who are doing the things them where you are talking about where a progress with them channel. So it seems like this is a tragedy. If it come a good thing, you can't control nobody out here. You don't have the power to do so. Because you don't have the credibility to do so neither. Because you don't have your own way. Because what you don't do now, you don't stop the fuss over yourself as what you say and the passa and mix up over yourself. You understand? You don't stop it, but you don't go over this one now and take up mix up from over there so come support your page. And then open now, the page will start get traction. Because most that you plan for you know. So you don't want a world peace in a social media. Just right over yourself. To get rid of we over yourself because we're too dominant with over yourself where you can't get a squeeze in. You understand? So you want to kill the vine over yourself and carry your own mix up from different places come on your platform. Who you to? Who you to? Feel like when I can't play a mind game on people.
The major players on social media that's helping to bring down the dynamics of social media, bringing down the peaceful existence that we could have on social media and get back to the olden days where we can now enjoy social media again. The major players is who I would love to see come together and be peaceful. And if you want to shoot me, if you want to chastise me, if you want to class me up as gal, if you want to class me all kind of different ways, because that is what I'm asking for, then you're going to have to continue classing me. But you know what? I'm not going to class you back. I'm not going to class you back. Because I understand your pain. As much as you think that I don't, I understand your pain. But Tina, for how long? If you die tomorrow morning, do you really truly want to die with such anger and hurt and bitterness and hatefulness in your heart? Do you? And all I'm asking, let it start somewhere. Because I have witnessed, and this is a little bit from every name.
So why you wait till they reaching actually the end of your video? You want to step up the pace So you want to run off quick after you say what you say, you know? It's like, as I say, real troublemaker. You look over the fence now, you look and you see a couple picnic over there, as you're picnic, and you just take up some dirt in your hand and you just whoops and throw it and shoom and took off. And that's what you're saying. Because all this way you got to talk about the pain with Tina feel and all them something there and mental issue. This is how the video is supposed to be. Instead of you come out here like you want to teach us something where we already know. The opposite of what you're saying. I saw if you go to Tina from day one for you start the video, start tell her how she go through pain, how much pain she feel through social media and people business. Tell her where you tell her about the mental issues where she have, the trauma where she have after what she go through in the BVI. And them something if you tell her about no you start just so now because you soon run off for the life. So as I say, same like what you pitting them that do. Just take up a handful of dirt and throw what is upon some other pitney and run and hide. And that you do you say no, you know.
I've mentioned, I've witnessed where the internet got a little bit quiet and the internet got a little bit more, you know, start to look a little friendly again. And, you know, and someone out of one of those groups always seemed like either they got bored, either they were ready for some excitement again. Next thing I know, somebody out of that group either come out and make a video and dash word on people, either make a video and talk about people cake and crack up cake and this a cake and that a cake. People come on internet, they talk about a coke hole or a coke and this or, I mean, and before you know it, the internet flares up again. And we're tired of it. Tired.
And when all that happen, you yourself stay behind the scene and use your needle. You yourself stay behind the scene and use your needle and poke all of these issues. So what you talk about?
So
what you talking about?
Here and trying to make peace among the little circle so we can have some form of sanity and some kind of peace on social media, then girlfriend sue me. Nah, stop. Alright. And for you bloggers that's gonna run with this and try to twist and turn the narratives like you always
do. No man, speak the mind.
Just remember,
you see me in front of you.
No matter how you twist and turn it, no matter how you try to find some negative in what I'm saying right here,
you get
the
like
bottom line
you know
is my original video and my original statement that I'm making.
See, you get like a traction, you know, take it. Because you talk about all of you bloggers who want to take. Because you know, because you always say it, you know. My love come on your page. You're going to be seen here now because you talk about Tina. And Tina says she a big name out here. Tina say, she knows she a clickbait. So you title her, the video we have, Tina. Tina says she a clickbait. So anybody that run by your page, you can look. And not just me alone. Yes, Tina stated in her life. Say, she knows she a clickbait. And that's why I use her enough time for the wrong reason, wrong purpose. Involve her in the things that she didn't involve in. So basically, you get the contraction you know because of Tina. So take it. Make us see how well it's going to feel. Make us see how well it's going to move your subscription.
Now stands alone and it stands to truth and it stands by itself. And you cannot change my narrative. Point blank. Period. The names that I mentioned needs to find some kind of middle ground going into 2025 so we could bring some form of sanity and peace and quietness and love back to social media because they are the main players that's causing all of this. So Tina, don't point finger on this one or that one or this one or that one. Point the finger at yourself too because you are included in part of what took place all of the past 3 to 4 to 5 years. You're not excluded. And if you worry about your kids and you love your kids and you love your family, you would do that for them and not for your little crazy ego of wanting revenge.
When this video are done, she come up now. I push up her chest.
If you love your family, if you love your kids and you truly want to protect them, the best way to do is to find somewhere in there, somewhere, to let go all this hurt and anger and pain and bitterness and try to come together in a peaceful manner. Stop say something. People, this is Queen D.
Speak to my people.
Talk. Say what me have to say. And again, I won't be arguing, disrespecting, or going down a certain lane with Tina Chin. Because at the end of the day, I do understand her hurt and her pain. She just got to remember, there's others on social media that have the same things.
No, that others on social media that she hurt.
And a lot of them, some of them is handling a little bit differently. Alright? And find a peaceful middle ground.
What if other people on social media where she hurt, and that you have to point out? Don't stop short. There's a lot of, I understand your hurt and your pain. But you should say, but there's a lot of other people on social media that is going through what you're going through when you put them through. And that you have to tell her. When you come out here, we have white flag after the woman diss you up. Speak mind, people, bless upon yourself. Remember, no can write some piece, got work Monday morning. If you don't nigga write his cake, you know, but on a Sunday, Monday for lunch. Wait till you no come home. You can sleep it off, bathe it off, and wake up fresh Tuesday morning for all the people them work. Especially the one that may do certain work. Where safety come first. You don't want to do certain work and doze off. And probably a piece of the finger gone. Or something drop on the toe. Or something splash up in her face. So remember, leave the Sunday, Monday, rice and peas till you come from work. Alright? You don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up when you like the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. And remember, TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Go follow me over there. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Just hit the blue writing, and when the channel come up, you hit subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and give her a subscription. Help her to reach at 1,000. She have like 24 days left. I saw. Today's what, the 7th? Today, what, the 8th? Yeah, the 8th. She have about 23 days left for you to help her to reach that 1,000. It's not hard, you know. It might look hard. 80 is not hard. Got so much on over here and I subscribe yet. So can go subscribe. Alright, and the cash app is there. You give me, I use the gift to give back to the needy. $Charms and Trend. And please go on Instagram and look for charmed_and_trend. Go on that business site. Look anything you want to get customized. Buy a special gift for your loved one. Make your loved one feel special. And don't just buy an ordinary gift. Buy a gift with meaning that they would want to cherish for the rest of their life. What better place to stop? Charms and Trends. You can go straight to the website, charmsandtrend.shop. Bless up on yourself. Peace out. All my new subscribers, bless up. Just try to be a part of the family so I can know you by your comment, your name on a regular basis, and stuff like that. And as I say, stay safe. It's a festive season. Be vigilant. Some things happen them time of season when it happen during the season. Because men want cash. And for them want cash to enjoy them Christmas, they are going to do anything for it. I see one with a gas station boy, me I tell you. I can't even talk about it because through me and a survey and me and on the spot media, my face out there certain things me not gonna talk about and play no hero and turn zero. So I leave certain things alone. If me see it, I want to put an input, I leave it alone. Leave that part of social media is a survey who nobody knows. On the spot medias and the rest. Bless upon yourself. Your boy is out.